guys, welcome back. I'm just trying to move some stuff around because I need some space. Because I have a package. This is a friend mail. So I'm super excited. I'm just trying to move some stuff out of my way because I know I'm going to need some space. This is from Miss Erica Mullins. I'm not going to show any addresses. But it's from Erica. Erica won one of my giveaways. And she was kind enough. And she's so sweet. She's like, I want to send you something back. It's like, you don't have to do that. I know I just shook you guys. But she did. Look how big this envelope is. Oh my gosh. So we're going to cut in. Thank you, Miss Erica. This is, oh my gosh. And I want to show you like how she decorated it. I was trying to hold my finger. Look, there's seashells and sailboats and little, see it? Isn't that cute? I'm trying to rip into this. Yeah, I just got home from work, scarfed down 2 corn dogs because I wanted to get into this. Because my hubby's like, your package is here. I was like, it's early. Because I think it said it was supposed to be here tomorrow. I see tissue paper. Oh, she's wrapped it so pretty, guys. Look. I just bubble wrap my stuff. I'm like, here, bubble wrap. I'm trying to get into this. Oh my gosh, everything is wrapped up so pretty. Okay. I see kitty cat stickers. Okay. I think I'm done with the scissors. Alright. First little package inside. Look how cute. Look. You know I'm going to reuse this tissue paper. So if somebody ever gets a kitty cat sticker and you look at this tissue paper and you're like, that looks used. No, girl. Appreciate it because it's a kitty cat sticker. A couple of the things I know what they are because she actually sent me kind of like pictures or she told me to pick and I'm like, surprise me. I didn't want to pick. Bubble wrap. I saved the bubble wrap too for when I mail out stuff. She's probably like, that's the bubble wrap you sit my stuff in. I don't mind getting it back. Oh my gosh, what do we got? I see jewelry. I see makeup. Girl, I sent you makeup. I see stuff. Okay, what do we got? Let's take it out of the little bag. So this is, I'm not even going to try that French. I think it's French. Banana setting powder. Nice. I will use that. I've never used banana. I will use it. And this is, she sent me a picture of this one. And I was like, yeah, that is so cute. I don't know if it's going to pick it up. Look, a seahorse and a turtle. And look how pretty the bracelets are. Because she's like, these would be perfect for your cruise. Look. That's a chunky bracelet. That's thick. Oh my gosh, those are super cute. So yeah, those will be going on my cruise with me. Thank you so much. Oh, there's the card. Look, there's the little stickers. Look at all the little stickers. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm shedding. Ignore the white hair that's falling. I don't want to mess up the sticker. It's peeling. Okay. It's got glitter on it too. Oh, I'm going to read this out loud because it's not like too personal. And it's got stickers all inside of it too. Shannon, I wanted to say thank you for the lovely goodies you sent me from your giveaway. I believe in giving back. Hope you love and enjoy your goodies. Maybe you can take some on your cruise. Love, Erica. Look how pretty. She did a good job on those stickers. I miss your videos too. Erica does have a channel. She hasn't put anything up in a while. I miss the videos. Alright, next package. There's another kitty cat. and pink tissue paper. Didn't I just cut some paper? Yes, I did. I'm so excited I can't keep up whether I cut the tape or not. Okay, what is this one? Alright. More bubble wrap. She's got it protected. Look at that, I didn't put my scissors away. I needed them. Today was a super easy day at work. I just priced towels, folded towels, put the towels out, priced tablecloths, placemats, that kind of stuff. Put them in buggies. We'll find somewhere to put them tomorrow. Okay. Oh, I see something I'm going to enjoy. Because you guys know I love my Vaseline cocoa butter. I love it. I know they say Vaseline is terrible for us, but I love it for my lips. This is the Vaseline Creme Brulee, and it's like a little purse size. Oh, can't wait to try that too. She's what she knows. And look, here's something else that may be going on my cruise. Girl, you did not have to do this. Let's see. Let me see. I think I've got it. Yeah, there we go. I'm good at getting stuff untangled. Look how pretty. And I know my lights are washing stuff out. That's super pretty. Thank you so much. That may be going on my cruise too. I think there's one more big section in here. And it's a sleeping kitty. Or, yeah, resting kitty. Throw that out. You know I throw everything on the bed. What is this big package? Girl, what is this big package? You did not show me this. It says Kato, but I don't know if that's what. What do we got? Oh, I think she did show me this. It is a tote bag. So I can put all my goodies in it. Look. Oh my gosh, that is soft. That is nice. Slime on it. Thank you so much. That's huge too. That may be going on the cruise as well. Who knows? Because I could pack that baby full. Thank you so much. Thank you. And that's totally how I feel. And I've always said it. I say it again. The energy we put out into this world is the energy we're going to receive back. The blessings that we put out to each other, we're just going to receive those blessings back. It may not be today. It may not be tomorrow. Those blessings will come back to us in some shape or form. And it's usually more than what we put out. And I've always believed that. I see it time and time and time again. I see it over and over. The energy that we put out is what we get back. The way we treat people. Other people see it. You know, our children see it. And that's how they treat us back. I mean, it's just the way it is. The energy that we emote to everyone else is what we're going to get back. And thank you so much. Thank you so much. I can't, it's just amazing the friendships you can make, you know, online. It is. It truly is. I've had some Facebook friends that I actually met before Facebook. And they've been my friends, like online friends for 9 years. And I talk to these people almost every day. It's crazy how you can make friends and be, you know, hundreds and hundreds of miles apart, continents apart, and yet you still talk to each other almost every day. It's crazy. And how you share stuff between each other and send each other gifts. And again, you know, that energy you put out, you're going to get it back. So thank you so much for this, girl. Yeah, definitely be going on cruises. And don't forget, I still do have another giveaway going. It ends at the end of April. If you want to get in on that little giveaway, I will leave it linked down below. You guys have a great evening. I am going to go eat some chocolate cake. yeah, I think chocolate cake is in order after this. I'm so excited. Let's get even more wired up with some chocolate cake. Ah, I can't believe it. This is so awesome. Thank you so much. They're so pretty. All right, I'm going to jump off here. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.